Hello students, welcome to my new video. Today I am going to do some questions of HCF and LCM. Last time I did factorization. I believe you understand nicely. Now we are using factorization in the HCF and LCM for SCE class 10. Let's go through the questions. Question number 1. Find HCF of 2x cube minus 16, x square minus 4x plus 4, x square minus 3x plus 2. First expression, 2x cube, 2 common, x cube minus 8. X cube minus 2, 8 means 2 cube. Now a cube minus b formula, a minus b, a square plus a means x, b means 2, plus b square means 2 square. A cube minus b cube, a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. X square plus 2x plus 2 square means 4. Now second expression, x square minus 4x plus 4. This we can do by converting in formula also and middle term also. If we convert in formula, this is x square minus 2, a means x, b means 2 plus b square means 2 square, because 2 to the 4. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Formula is a minus b whole square. Now third expression, x square minus 3x plus 2. This is in the form of middle term, 2 1s are 2, and by adding we need 3, so 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 plus 1 x plus 2. X square minus 2x minus plus minus 1x plus 2. X common, x minus 2. Here nothing means 1 common, x minus 2 minus minus plus. X minus 2 is common, remaining is x minus 1. Therefore HCF equal to, common in all expression is HCF. Yeah, x minus 2, yeah, x minus 2 and x minus 2. So x minus 2 is the common. HCF means common in all the expression, highest common multiplier, but we should understand by knowing common in each and every expression is HCF. But suppose two expression only common but third expression not common, then HCF will be 1. Now let's go to the question number 2. There are only two expressions, x plus y whole square minus 4xy, comma, x minus y whole cube plus 3xy, x minus y. First expression, x plus y whole square minus 4xy. Open this formula, a plus b whole square formula, a square plus 2ab plus b square minus 4xy, copying. Now plus 2xy minus 4xy, it is minus 2xy, subtraction. Now it is again in the form of formula, a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is a minus b whole square. Now second expression, x minus y whole cube plus 3xy, x minus y. There is two methods. One method is, this is in the form of formula, a minus b whole cube plus 3ab, a minus b, that is a cube minus b cube. If you don't know this, you can take common, x minus y whole cube and x minus y common, remaining is x minus y whole square plus 3xy. Now x minus y, copying this formula again, a square minus 2ab plus b square, this 3xy as it is, x minus y whole square, x square minus 2xy plus y square, x minus y. Now addition subtraction, minus 2xy plus 3xy, this subtraction, plus is bigger sign, so x plus xy plus y square. Now therefore HCF equal to, x minus y is common, x minus y. Question number 3. A bracket a plus c minus b bracket b plus c, comma, b bracket a plus b minus c bracket c plus a, and c bracket a b plus c minus a bracket a plus b. First expression, a plus c minus b plus c, open the bracket, a into a square plus ac minus b square minus plus minus bc. Now arrange a square minus b square plus ac minus bc. Now form a formula, a square minus b square means a minus b, a plus b. These two common, c common, a minus b. Now a minus b and a minus b common, remaining is a plus b plus c. Second expression, same process will do. B bracket a plus b minus c bracket c plus a. Multiply b into ab plus b square, c into a c square, minus plus minus c into a c a. Same like that, ab and minus ca. Arranging plus b square minus c square. This a, b and c, a common, b minus c. This is formula b minus c, b plus c. B minus c and b minus c common. Remaining is a plus b plus c. Third expression. Open the bracket. bc plus c square minus a square minus ab minus plus minus. bc minus ab arranging c square minus a square. This common, here b common, c minus a. This is formula c minus a, c plus a. Common is c minus a, remaining is b plus c plus a. Therefore, HCF equal to a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c, and a plus b plus c. Common is a plus b plus c. Minus 1, question number 4. AQ minus 1, AQ plus 2a square plus 2a plus 1, A4 plus a square plus 1. First expression, AQ minus 1, that is AQ minus BQ. AQ minus BQ. Formula is A minus B, A square plus AB plus B square means 1 square is 1. Second expression, AQ plus 2a square plus 2a plus 1. Here in this second expression, if you take a square common, a plus 2 remaining, here 1 only common, 2a plus 1, it is different. So we should arrange the terms, AQ and 1 we should arrange, then 2a square plus 2a. AQ plus BQ formula now, AQ plus 1Q, AQ plus 1Q, a plus 1, a square minus ab plus b square. Here 2a common, a plus 1. Means AQ plus BQ, a plus b, a square minus ab, a into 1, a only, plus b square means 1 square is 1. In this 2a common, a remaining, plus nothing means 1 remaining. A plus 1 will common, remaining is a square minus a plus 1, here 2a remaining. If the minus 2a plus 2a, it will be plus a plus 1. Third expression. First and last in the form of square. So this a4 means a square whole square. 1 means 1 square plus a square. Now a square plus b square formula. A plus b whole square minus 2ab. A square plus b square. A plus b whole square minus 2. A means a square, b means 1. This copy. A square plus 1 whole square. 2 1 the 2a square plus a square. Minus 2a square plus a square subtraction minus a square. Now formula a square minus b square. That is a minus b, a plus b. Therefore, HCF. A square plus a plus 1, a square plus a plus 1, a square plus a plus 1, a square plus a plus 1. Now question number 5. X cube minus x square minus x plus 1, x4 minus 2x cube plus 2x minus 1. First expression. In this question, if you take common in these two common, x square common, remaining will be x minus 1, here also 1 common, x minus 1. So we should not put first and last. We can put first and last, but it takes quite long process, so directly we can take common here. X square common, x minus 1, 1 common, x minus 1. X minus 1 is common, remaining is x square minus 1. X minus 1, this is again a square minus b square formula, a minus b, a plus b. Second expression. In this 2 also, if you take x2 common, x minus 2 remaining, you have 2x, 1 common, 2x minus 1. We can't do anything. So we have to do arrange first and last. x4 minus 1. This x square whole square, 1 square. In this 2x common, x square minus plus minus 1. Now formula a minus b, a plus b. X square minus 1, x square minus 1 common. Remaining is x square plus 1 minus 2x. That is this again formula a minus b, a plus b. This is a square minus 3ab plus b square. So x minus 1 whole square. That is x minus 1 whole cube and x plus 1. Therefore HCF. Here also we can write x minus 1 whole square and x plus 1. X minus 1 whole square and x minus 1 whole square. HCF is x minus 1 whole square and x plus 1. X minus 1 whole square and x minus 1 whole cube. X minus 1 whole square is common. X plus 1 x plus. Question number 6. 8x2 plus y cube. 8x2 minus y cube. 16x4 plus 4x square y square plus y4. First expression. 8x2 plus y cube. This is in the form of cube. So 8 means 2 whole cube. So 2x whole cube we can write. Here y cube. Now formula a cube plus b cube. A plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. 2x minus y, 2 square is 4, x square, 2xy plus y square. Second expression similar. 8x minus y cube, this also a cube minus b cube formula, but 8 means 2 cube, 2x whole cube minus y cube. Now a cube minus b cube formula, a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. 2x minus y, 2 square means 4, 2xy plus y square. Third expression. This first and last square, so 16 means 4 square, 4x square whole square, y4 means y square whole square, this curve. Now a square plus b square formula, a plus b whole square minus 2ab. A square plus b square, a plus b whole square minus 2, a means this, b means this. This as it is copying. 2 4 are 8 minus 8x square y square and plus 4x square y square, it will be 4x square y square minus. Now 4x square plus y square whole square. This 4 means square of 2, x square square of x, y square square of y, 2xy whole square. A square minus b square formula, a minus b, a plus b. Therefore HCF. Common in all, this and this common, this and this common, but no common in all expression. You have 2x minus y, 2x plus y, you have 2x minus y, no common. This and this common, this and this common, but no common in all expression. So HCF is 1. HCF means common in all expression. In this case, in first 3 expression, no common in all expression. So HCF is 1. Question number 7. 1 plus 4x plus 4x square minus 16x4. 1 plus 2x minus 8x cube minus 16x4. First expression. 1 plus 4x plus 4x square minus 16x4. Most of the students are confused in this question I found. If you take first and last, it won't be 1 square minus 4x square whole square. That means 1 minus 4x square, 1 plus 4x square. Here 4x 1 plus x will be. It won't be same. If you take first and third and second and last also, it will be very difficult. It won't be. So first 3, 1 plus 4x square. It is in the form of formula. 1 square, 2, a means 1, b should be 2 2s are 4, and x, because 2 2s are 4, x 1s are x. Plus b square means this is 2x whole square. This is as it is. A square plus 2ab plus b square. That is formula of a plus b whole square. 16x for me, 16 square of 4, x4 square of x square, so 4x square whole square. Now a square minus b square. A minus b, a plus b. Second expression, 1 plus 2x minus 8x cube minus 16x4. Yeah, first and last, if you arrange, it will be quite difficult because 1 square whole square, 4x square whole square. You have 2x, then 1 minus 4x square. It will be quite difficult, but you have to take first two and last two common. It will be very easy. 1 common, then 1 plus 2x remaining. You have 8x common, 1 plus 2x because minus minus plus 8 to the 16. 1 plus 2x common, remaining is 1 minus 8x. This 1 plus 2x as it is. This we can make cube, 1 cube minus 2x whole cube. 8 is cube of 2, x is cube of x. Formula a cube minus b cube. A minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. 1 plus 2x plus 4x square. Therefore HCF. HCF is here, this and this common, so 1 plus 2x plus 4x square. Question number 8. x4 plus bracket b is 2b square minus a square bracket close x square plus b4. x4 plus 2ax cube plus a square x square minus b4. First expression, x4 plus 2b square minus a square x square plus b4. This x4 as it is, open the bracket, 2b square x square minus a square x square plus b4. In this question, we have to arrange first, second and last. x4 plus 2b square x square plus b4, this a square x square as it is. Now it is in the form of formula. x4 means x square whole square plus 2, a means x square, b means b square, a square plus 2a, b means b square only, plus b square means b square whole square. This as it is. Now it is in the form of formula a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is a plus b whole square. This a square x square we can write ax whole square. Now a square minus b square formula. A plus b, a minus b, a plus b, a minus b, a plus b. Second expression, this is second expression, x4 plus 2ax cube plus a square x square minus b4. This first three also it is in the form of formula. Some teacher will take common, but without taking common also we can take this factorize. x4 means x square whole square plus 2, a means x square. What should be, then we'll get this a, 2 already gone, x square, cube x gone means x square remaining. This x square whole square plus 2, a means x square. B should be here a remaining, here x remaining, plus b square means ax whole square. This is minus b4. Now a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is formula a plus b whole square. This b4 means b square whole square. X square plus ax minus b square. X square plus ax plus b square. A square minus b square. A minus b, a plus b. Therefore HCF equal to, in these two questions, x square plus b square plus ax. This is common. X square plus ax plus b square. This is not common because b square is minus, they are plus. Y square minus 10y plus 25 plus 6x minus 9x square. 2y square minus 18x square y square minus 48xy square minus 32y square. First expression, y square minus 10y plus 24 plus 6x minus 9x square. This we make expand the formula. Y square minus 2a means y, b should be 5, then only it will be 10 because 2 5s are 10 plus b square means 5 square. 5 square added, so 5 square subtracted. We should do this copying. Now a square minus 2ab plus b square. It is formula a minus b whole square. This minus 25 means 5 square is minus 25 plus 24 plus 6x minus 9x square minus 25 plus 24. It is 1 minus 1. Now again common, minus common taking, then it will be 1 minus 6x plus 3 9x square. Now we can make in formula this 1 square minus 2, a means 1, b means 3x plus b square means 3x whole square. Y minus 5 whole square, 1 minus 3x whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now formula a minus b, a plus b. Dika minus dika, dika plus dika. A minus b, a plus b. Expand the formula, y minus 5 minus 1 minus minus plus 3x. Y minus 5 plus 1 minus 3x. Last step, y plus 3x minus 5 minus 1, it is minus 6. Y square minus 3x minus 5 and plus 1, it is minus 4. First expression finished. Second, here 2y square, 2, 18, 20, 48 and 32. 2 common, y4, y square, y square, y square, y square common. Remaining is here y square minus 2 9s are 18, x square remaining 2 24s are 48, x remaining 2 16s are 32, y square already gone. This y square copying in this 3 minus common, 9x square minus minus plus minus minus plus. Now it is in the form of formula 3x whole square plus 2a means 3x, b means 4 plus 4 square means b square means 4 square 16. A square plus 2ab plus b square, that is a plus b whole square. Now a square minus b square formula, a minus b minus plus minus a plus b. Now therefore HCF in this two, HCF is y minus 3x minus 4, because this is not common, this and this common, so it's HCF. Question number 11. y7 minus 1 by y5 and y4 plus 1 plus 1 by y4. First expression. In this 2, your y7, your y5. So if you take y common, it will be remaining y6 minus 1 by y6. Always in numerator decreasing and denominator increasing. If you multiply by y into y6, y7, y into 1 by y6 means y by y6 means 1 by y5. Now this is HCF, so I am going to do this is quite different method. y6 means y square whole cube, y cube whole y square whole cube minus 1 by y square whole cube. Now a cube minus b cube formula, a minus b a square plus ab plus 1 by a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. A square minus b square formula, here also a minus b, a plus b. Y square minus 1 by y square. Now here y4 plus this and this cancel, 1 by y4. Second expression, as it is copying, because already we have common in second expression in first expression. Therefore HCF. If same question is the LCM, then we have to do here x cube whole square and 1 by x cube whole square. But HCF, because this and this common only, so directly this question will be done by this easy method. If you a cube minus b cube formula and this common, so directly the second expression, no need to factorize. HCF is y4 plus 1 by y4. You understand this first part of HCF, and second part I'll do in next video. I believe you will understand. If you will like my video, subscribe, like, comments and share my video. If you have already subscribed, please tell your friend of different school for subscribing. Thank you.